Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Mortal Shell 2 and your game is crashing and you keep getting this error couldn't start with error code CreateProcess returned 11C7, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Mortal Shell 2 easily. So first off you need to go on to this location, so go on to your games folder. Here it is. Now you're going to right click on Mortal Shell 2, click Properties, Compatibility, click on Disable Full Screen Optimizations and click Run this program as an administrator. After that click Apply, OK, and then open up your game's platform. Right click on Mortal Shell 2, click Properties, Install Files, click Verify and integrity your game files here. Once you do that, now you're going to close this up. And now you're going to launch the game, but make sure to launch it from here, from the folder instead of Steam. So just launch your game from here. Once you do that, now your game will work. You'll not face that CreateProcess return error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in my next video. Peace.